Dear students, I welcome you all to this new video lesson. In this video lesson, we will be discussing about creation and publishing of web pages, that is blog. So a blog is a discussion style site used by the users for creating personal web pages. Blogs are similar to an online personal diary and simple to use. You can use a blog to convey messages about events, announcements, news, reviews, and others. Blogs are usually managed using a web browser, and this requires active internet connection. You can also use offline blog softwares to create content first and later publish the content when the active connection is available. There are hundreds of websites that offer blog services for free. Some of the popular blogs include www.wordpress.com, blogger.com, blog.com, weebly.com, blogsome.com. Okay, so these are some popular blog websites. Now let us discuss how to create a blog account. And we will be taking an example of WordPress. WordPress is free web service that you can use to create a beautiful website or blog. WordPress has support for themes for customizing the design of the blog. Themes can make the blog or the web page look attractive. Before you start using a blog account is required. Okay, for which you will be requiring a web browser and internet connection. So open your web browser, type the address. This is the address where you have to go. You can click this wordpress.com, and in the sign up you should get your username, password, email addresses. Then you must provide a unique address to your WordPress blog. Okay, so this will be the address that the other persons will see. Then you should choose a username for managing the blog. This username and the password will be used to log in your WordPress account. Okay, so password must be a strong password, a combination of uppercase, lowercase, some digits, and some special symbols. Then you must have a valid email address for using this blog. Okay, so the activation link for the blog activation will be sent to your registered mail, and then only you can start creating a blog. Then you should choose your language of blogging from the list, and then you should click create blog. Okay, so when you get the email related to activation of the account, you click the activation link, then you will be redirected to the WordPress blog account and you will see this page. Okay, so it is an indication that your blog account has been activated. After this, you will be presented with the address of your blog as displayed in the web page. Okay, you must have seen the address here. This is your address at the top. You can click on it and you will be redirected to your page. Okay, so once you have created a blog, you need to submit content. Okay, because you have to write something on your blog, no? Then to create a post, you should click new post and this window will be displayed in front of you. So here you will give the title of your blog, about the topic you want to write. The title will be on the top, and then in this box you will write the content. Okay, so when you have finished typing the content, you should publish the post for others to see it. So then you will click the publish post to publish your content. Then to view the post, you can type the blog address that you have selected and you can see your posts. Okay, so this will be this is your address and this is your first post. Okay, so you can also add photos, videos to your blogs using various options available. You can also comment on the posts published by others. Usually the comment option is available towards the end of the post. Look for the options such as leave a comment, leave a reply, etc. Okay. So in WordPress, the comment box is located below the post and labeled as leave a reply. So this will be in that, and here you can add your comment on the post of others. Okay. These things are optional and then you can post comment. So the email is required field. Okay, after clicking the post comment, you will see the blog along with your comment. Okay. So this was a brief introduction to how to create a blog account in WordPress. So you should try it by yourself, and as an activity, you should create a blog of your using WordPress or any other service provider. And this is the assessment related to this session that we have discussed. Okay. So the next session is also related to this blogging, but here we will be discussing how to use offline blog editors. Okay. In the beginning of the video, I have told you that you must have an active internet connection to use blogs. But if you do not have an active internet connection for 24 hours, so you can use offline blog editors, so that using those softwares you can type your blog and edit it. Okay, and whenever you have an active internet connection, you can publish it online. Okay, so if you do not have an active internet connection, you can create blogs using a blog application and then publish it whenever the connectivity is there. There are several free offline blog editors that can be downloaded and installed. The first one is Guama, second one is Windows Live Writer, and third one is Blog Desk. So in this session we will be using the offline blog editor Kumana. Kumana is a free and it is easy to use. Okay, so first you have to download and install it. The website is here, www.kumana.com. okay, so then you will launch this website, this application Kumana, through Start, Programs, Kumana, or you can double click the desktop icon. Now whenever you double click it, you will be asked to enter your blog's URL. Okay, so in which website you are trying to create your blog, you have to enter this. Okay, because using this address, Kumana will try to find out the required configuration and it will activate it. Okay, so for this also you need an existing blog account. Okay, so here we are supposing that you are having a WordPress account. Okay, so we will synchronize the WordPress account with Kumana so that you can type in Kumana software and publish your content to the WordPress. Okay. So after you enter your website name or the WordPress blog address, if you fill it, then it will ask you for the username and password for your WordPress account so that it can synchronize it. Then after that you will click next and then finish. So this will be the window that will appear in front of you. Okay. If the posts are already available in your blog, Kumana will download them and it will be displayed as existing blog. Okay. So to create a post, you should click on the new post button. Here you can see that these are the options for you. So you can click on the create a post, create new post button, and this will be the window that will be displayed in front of you. Okay. So here you have the title and you will write the body of your blog here. So first you will enter the title in the title field and then you will write the content and then you will click publish post. So by clicking on this button publish post, your entire blog will be automatically updated to your WordPress. So what you can do is when you are offline, you write your blog in this Kumana, and whenever you are online, just click on the publish post button and your post will be online. So if you want to see the published content, you can open the web browser and type your blog address. Okay, and here you can also insert some images. This is the image icon and you can select your image. Okay, so this Kumana is just like a word editor that you have used earlier, and you can have some options related to word editing also. Okay, so this is left, right, middle, justification. Okay, so these are bullets. Similarly, this is the sign for image insertion. So you can have your predefined images that you want, you can browse them and you can upload in your blog. Okay, so as an activity you can download a particular offline blog editor and work on it. So as an assessment, these are the questions that you should answer after going through this video. And with this we come to the end of this video lesson. In this video lesson we have discussed the general introduction to blog, the name of some online blog editors, and how to work on offline blog editors. Okay, so this was all about it, and we will be meeting in the next video lesson.